Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll review the SameMovie Netflix Video Downloader, a tool that allows you to download Netflix content in HD quality and save it in MP4 format. Let's take a quick look at its features and how it works. Key features: download in HD, 1080p, or higher. Save videos in high definition for the best viewing experience. MP4 and MKV formats. Download videos in popular formats that are compatible with most devices. Batch downloading. Download multiple episodes or entire seasons in one go. Preserve subtitles and audio. Download subtitles and select your preferred audio tracks. No Netflix app required. Watch downloaded content without the need for the Netflix app. How it works: install SameMovie on your computer, Windows, or Mac. Log into Netflix within the app. Choose the content you want to download: movie, show, etc. Download the video and enjoy it offline in MP4 or MKV format. Pros: high-quality downloads in HD. Batch downloading for convenience. Compatible with a variety of devices. Cons: not an official Netflix tool, may violate Netflix's terms. Only available for PC/Mac, not mobile. Conclusion: SameMovie is a useful tool for downloading Netflix content in HD and saving it for offline use. However, be aware that using third-party software to download Netflix videos is against Netflix's terms of service. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tips.